Hey there. Okay, in this practice, we want to use some Qigong for confidence building, okay? In order to move into our dream life, into all that which we've been called for, we have to have a confidence, and sometimes that can be challenged, and sometimes we could have received negative things, so we want to work through a little practice that is specific to Qigong for bringing in the confidence energy within us. So just to begin with, let's just settle ourselves with a few deep breaths. Just breathe in and exhale. Breathe in. Exhale. Breathe in. Exhale. Okay, so to begin with, we want to remove any negative that we have received, all right? So then we want to fill that up after that. So to begin with, let's just take our hands up. We make a slight fist, open our toes. We exhale briskly, pushing it out, pushing it back into the ground. So we're discharging any negative energy. Hands go up, light fist, toes. Exhale, sending that back into the ground through our heels dropping. Okay, again, we come up, like fist, push it out. Let's do it one more time. So what we're doing a lot with Qigong is just moving energies within our body, and we're just helping our mental state through our physical activity and emotions doing that are part of that, and just releasing that energy. Okay, so now we want to do a Qigong move that is called tiger emerging. Okay, so just envision a tiger that has it's the edge of its cave, you know, its lair, and it's there, and then suddenly, you know, the prey walks by, and so it begins to take up a position and emerge, right? So that's what we're going to do. All right, so the first thing we want to do is we cross our hands. The tiger is resting. The tiger spots his prey. It's out. And he thrusts out of the cave after the prey. Okay, so we're just building that confidence in. Go down, up, rotate, and emerge. Inhale, crouch, emerge. Just feel that lunge, feel that power, feel that energy moving. Tiger emerge. Nice and slow. Crouch and ready. Lunging out. Shoulders are going back, it's moving. You're just improving in your confidence as it's coming forth. Chest is out as lunge, tiger, crouch. Just feel energy of confidence, of power, of the ability to take action coming forth. Tiger emerging. One more time. Okay, now we want to end with just some simple breathing to let that settle within us. Inhale. Exhale, fingers together, down to your abdomen. Inhale, fingers together, exhale, down to your abdomen. Inhale, hold, down, exhale. All right, so that's a process of just getting our body involved, and the practice is the tiger emerging, just as a tiger would emerge and lunge at its prey. That's the confidence. Chest out, chest forward. You brought in that energy, so you can do that as a piece of kind of letting go negative energies of lack of confidence and just bringing in that tiger energy into your being. So hopefully that's helpful for you today. We'll see you again next time. Later.